Computational Thinking. Introduction. Pooja, a student of class 6, has to plan a trip to southern part of India for her classmates in the coming Christmas holidays. For Pooja, it was a very big task and she thought that she will not be able to plan the trip as it seems to be next to impossible. She discussed this with her father and her father told her to divide the plan into smaller segments and then prepare smaller plans and combine them into a bigger plan. She got the way out and she planned individual things like preparing list of places where the group can visit, how to book tickets, how to book hotels, itinerary of going around the places of interest, etc. As a result, Pooja prepared the complete plan and finally submitted it to her class teacher, which was appreciated by all. How does Pooja accomplish this task successfully, even though she never planned before? It was possible for her because of a technique called computational thinking. Analyzing. If we take the example of Pooja, she analyzed the problem that she needed to plan for a school trip to southern part of India. Here, the problem is to organize a school trip and the goal is plan everything for the trip. Algorithm design. Algorithm design is setting out the steps and rules needed to follow in order to achieve the same desired outcome every time. An algorithm employs logical thinking and involves bringing all of the above elements together to design a solution. One algorithm can be applied to solve multiple problems with a similar pattern. The algorithm can be represented in the form of a flowchart or plain English text. Pooja will make the following algorithm to make the plan for the trip to southern part of India. To find out various places where they can visit, she looks into the places of interest on internet and locates those places in the map, collecting information about each place. She checks what all places they can visit. She also analyzes the historical importance of the place, checks the connectivity with the rest of the country. Arranging for rail or air tickets, she searches for the shortest route available to reach that place, checks availability of tickets for onward and return journey, checks whether air or train fare will be cheaper, checks whether discount is available or not, arranging lodging and boarding at different hotels, checks if some guest house is available for stay in dormitory, whether the place of stay is near the place of visit, and whether some discount is offered or not, arrangement of local transport, to look for local tour operators to provide transport like a mini bus or a transport which can accommodate more people to cut down on cost. Safety and security of all inmates during the trip. She checks whether the time selected for visit is appropriate and the weather is conducive. Checks that the places are safe to visit, no high tide or no water bodies. If moving by water, whether safety jackets are provided by the operator or not. The medical treatment and requirement of carrying essential first aid kit, etc. A flowchart is the graphical representation of an algorithm. This representation gives a clear picture of finding solution for the said problem. We can now design the flow diagram of the algorithm in the adjacent flowchart. Making decisions through reasoning. We all make decisions in daily life whenever we are at crossroads. Problems may be simple or complex, but we have to use our wisdom and experience to make the decisions. Yes, for simple problems, we may need no time, and for complex problems, we may need more time so that the best possible alternate can be chosen to make the decision. Difficult situations will require more reasoning and experience to solve problems. Let us understand this with a mathematical equation. Consider the following mathematical expression. 5 plus 10 is equal to 15. 20 by 10 is equal to 2. 100 into 2 is equal to 200. 80 minus 40 is equal to 40. Yes, you are right. They are simple mathematical problems and with no or a little effort, we can find their solution. Now consider the following equation. 20 into 8 minus 8 into 56 minus 3 into 18 plus 5 exponent 8 into 50 plus 150 by 6 into 3 exponent 3 by 6. This problem needs thinking about the computational rules of mathematics and breaking this into smaller parts and then combining the result to find the solution. We will apply BODMAS rule to give right solution for the above mathematical problem. Let us take another example where you have to select two meals, both either veg or non-veg, as per the choices available in the following table. Stall A, Stall B. Recipe, type mutton angara, non-veg. Shakat seekh kebab, non-veg. Crispy kothimber vadi, veg. Hara bara kebab recipe, veg. Mutton burra kebab, non-veg. Lilwa kachori, veg. Dal vada, veg. Fish kuwada, non-veg. Tandoori jalpuri, non-veg. Paneer kulcha, veg.